Hello and welcome to my channel. Hope you are all well. Kindly watch, subscribe, share to your friends and family, and let's make something sweet. So today we are going to make mixed berries compote, or mixed berries Collie. If you come across that name, don't panic, it's very easy to make. You can use this as a filling for your pastries, as a filling for your cakes. So for my cake, I'm going to use mixed berries. You can use strawberry alone, you can use raspberry on its own, or blueberries, blackberries, any that you find at your disposal. So we are going to make our filling, let it to chill, and then we will use it for our cake. So I have my mixed berries here, so I'm going to weigh in 300 grams of my mixed berries. And then next I will weigh in my sugar. I will weigh in 75 grams of sugar, just to add more sweetness to our mixed berry compote. 75 grams, and then I will add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here is my vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, just to add in more flavor. And then I'm going to add in my orange zest and orange juice. You can use this, you can use lemon juice. So I've just substituted my lemon juice for orange. Usually you use lemon juice and lemon zest. So this is about 1 tablespoon and a half. So find the full recipe at the description box down below. And now what you're going to do next is place this on our heat and let it to cook and to crush down. So I'm just going to use my wooden spoon to break them down. I'm going to give them time for them to be well cooked and to break down. I'm just going to leave this for a few minutes and let it cook up and become soft, and for these berries of ours to be crushed. So as our berries are being cooked on our pot, we are going to make a slurry. A slurry is simply adding some water to your cornstarch or corn flour. So this is my cornstarch or corn flour. And the reason we're adding cornstarch or corn flour is to just thicken our sauce, so that when we use it as our filling in our cake, it's not going to drip outside and it's going to hold shape. So I will add in 1 tablespoon here, 1 tablespoon of my corn flour, and then also 1 tablespoon of water. So you need 1.5. So you need to do this so that you're not supposed to add it directly, our cornstarch directly to your sauce, because it's going to form some lumps and we don't want that. So you need to form a slurry. So this is our slurry now. I have mixed my cornstarch or corn flour with some water, and I'm finally going to add it to our sauce when it is done. So after a few minutes, you can see our berries have become soft and they have been crushed down, and now it's in liquid form. So what we're going to do, we are going to set this aside and then we are going to strain it just to remove those big pieces and get the sauce from it. We want the collie from it. So I will set this aside and then I will strain it. So I have my tin here. I'm going to strain my sauce here. So this is how our sauce is finally looking like. Now I'm going to strain it just to remove the seeds and get our sauce from it. So you're going to, yes, you have to use a spoon just to remove all the sauce from our berries. Now I'm going to set this aside, and to our pan we are going to put back our sauce. We want to make it more thick. So what we are going to do, we are going to add in the slurry that we had made earlier, our slurry here. So I will add it in, and then we are going to take it back to our heat just for a few minutes for it to thicken, and then we will remove. So back to our heat, just stir it until it thickens, and then you set it aside. So after we have set it aside, we are going to place it in a tin and put it in our fridge, or you can keep it outside if you don't have a fridge, and let it cool, and then use it in your cake as a filling. So we're just going to stir this until it becomes thick. So at this point, if you want to adjust your flavors, you can do so. If you want more sugar, add. If you want it to be more acidic, add a little bit of lemon. So I have my tin here. I will just set my sauce in.